Liris Chika, hindi nakaligtas ang gwapong aktor sa maiinit at nakakaintrigang tanong ng isang showbiz insider sa kanyang entertainment program. Isa sa mga binatong tanong sa aktor ay kung posibleng liligawan niya si Bel Mariano sa oras na mabibigyan siya ng chance. The one of the hypothetical question that was thrown him was about courting the gorgeous actress if given a chance. The Filipino singer and actress thought for a while before he said yes as a response to the question of the show host. So in that sense, as a professional, gusto mo ba siya? Beyond that, given the chance na maligawan siya, liligawan mo ba? Hypothetical lang naman ito, sabi ng showbiz insider. Hypothetical, well, yes. Yan ang sabi ng gwapong aktor.